Sustainable development, or development in a sustainable way, means that you are not compromising the future of your upcoming generation, and still you're developing yourself. Development doesn't go with the destruction of all the other aspects of your life. It must be like that everything go green, and when everything go green, that means you are care for everything which is side by side, you have along your own work. For example, if you are an engineer and you are a businessman and you are developing an infrastructure, you have to be careful about the land area you are using, because if there is a land area which is not acceptable for agricultural purpose, then it's okay, you can build your the things your own way. But if that is an agricultural land, you must avoid it. So these are the different, different aspects through which you can control the destruction of your earth, and you can save your future for your upcoming generation. As far as the sustainability development goals are, there is 17 goals, and they are divided in four different sections, which are pillars of sustainability development, which is social, economical, human, and environmental. The very most important environmental goal is that you have to cover the climate changes problem. You have to care for your land ecosystem, your water ecosystem. Environment is most essential aspect, is due to that we don't have any boundary for your environmental section. The air is moving around the earth, and everywhere it moves without any boundary. So it's not like if the pollutants are generating from one country, that is if the only person affected is relate to that country, it may be anywhere, right? So that is very important, that you have to be very peculiar about that environmental aspect. Then we have quality education, gender equality, peace and justice, which is in control of your hands. If you are good, if your system is working good, then you can control these aspects. And then we have economic. Obviously economic is not much more in the control of individual persons, but obviously these are governments which are involved here. And health and education, zero hunger, no poverty, these are the different aspects which we cover in economic section. And the question arises, why we are involved here, and how we are involved here, or how we can take different measures to control or develop that sustainable development of goals. So we can control it by taking different measures on our own scale. For example, less water usage, because usually we use a lot of water. The tap is open and the water is running, and we are doing our own work. We're not even bothering the tap is working. So we have to be very careful about that whenever you use water. And plantation is very much important aspect. If you control the climate change, if you want to uh, your kids to be in good environment, then you have to um, do your plantation on your own. Don't wait for others. At least you one or two plant, we can grow one or two plant in our backyard, or any front area, or any of the area, or along the roadside. Or there is no need to be buy any costly plant or seeds. The plants which can be grown in a particular area, we can use that. And mostly you can the other measure you can do is that try to use those particular things which are recyclable, or which you can use for a long term. For example, instead of using your plastic bags, you can use your cloth bags, any sort of clothing. Or instead of using your plastic cup or plastic bottles, you can use your stainless steel or steel groceries. So you can use it, and you can cover these things in multiple ways, and these are the things which we can do by ourselves. So it's a simple story, that you can control the waste. You can you, that you can save your resources for your upcoming generation, so your generation will live happily on this earth, which have enough resources for everyone if you're not wasting them. So just stay positive, play your role, and there will be better ways on the way. Thank you.